John Cena's first WrestleMania here tonight. And what could be going through the mind of John Cena?
Well, Big Show's a veteran. That's what John Cena's got to be worried about. I mean, Cena's going to be like a deer in the headlights here, being nervous when the Big Show
and there's the strength of the 500-pounder. The Big Show. John Cena on the right hand. The controversial. John Cena trying to take the Big Show.
Can you believe it?
Through the second row.
Just all of the outfits by Cena does not want to get too frustrated. Stay focused, champ. Stay focused, and you're gonna leave the garden with the United States Championship intact.
I don't believe John Cena has any idea where he is.
Big Show in this.
Cena. Big Show made a mistake. John Cena's got a sleeper hold locked in.
He's got a nice choke right there, a sleeper on that humongous giant.
Big Show. And there it is.
Boom! Shakalaka!